Alright guys, time to buy your first pair of ice skates. I recommend getting your own pair of skates if you're ready to dive in and be dedicated to the sport. This is going to be your own pair. The boot's going to mold your foot perfectly. You're going to have your own blades. You don't have to worry about getting a different pair of rental skates every time. I also recommend getting your own pair of skates if you're starting to get pretty proficient with your forward crossovers. Your own personal skates will have the support and the blade quality you need to keep excelling, because sometimes equipment is going to hold you back. I do recommend seeing a professional skate tech in your area. Go to your local pro shop because a lot of factors come into finding the right skate for you. There are tons of different models and brands out there. They vary in price, thickness, material, shape, and quality. Some factors: your size and height, how long you've been skating for, how often you're trying to skate, your foot shape, your foot size, the current condition of your boots. These are all factors that's going to affect what your skate tech will recommend. Also, what do you want to work on? Dance, hockey, jumps and spins, skating skills. There are different blades tailored to what you want. Just like a brand new pair of sneakers, a brand new pair of skates can also be a little bit uncomfortable. So for your first skating session, make it short. You may not last longer than 30 or 60 minutes. Depending on how stiff your boot is, you may need to leave the top eyelet unlaced so you have a little bit more flexibility in your ankles as they continue to break in. A little bit of soreness or discomfort, maybe even some blistering, can be common. You don't want to skate too long that you're getting blisters and excruciating pain. Remember to put some triple ointment on it, band-aids as needed. Take a break. Don't commit to the whole session if you need some more breaks. I promise you the break-in process will be worth it. Something else that can also help is sweaty feet. So when you're at home, maybe 20 or 30 minutes of putting hard guards on and walking around, the sweaty feet will help the skates contour to your feet. Most brands can also be heat molded. So ask your skate tech about this. The skates literally go into the oven, get baked, you put them on your feet, and then they'll perfectly mold to fit you. It will also make the break-in process much easier. Breaking in skates may also involve retying of the laces. You want to make sure, importantly, that the tongue stays in the middle. If they go side to side, sometimes your skates can break in improperly. So double check that your laces are staying midline in between the boots. If there are any specific areas of discomfort, the skates can also be stretched out or punched out in certain spots. For example, maybe if you have a hammer toe or a pinky toe that's bothering you, let your coach or skate tech know.